Hello everyone, today I'm finally going to be answering all of you guys' questions about the backdrop frames that I have been using in my setups and my videos lately. I wanted to be sure that I had a couple of options for you guys, so in this video I'm going to set up a new frame that I bought and I'm going to go over some of the options that are out there. Now your first option would be Amazon. They have a wide variety of options. The price point is good and the shipping is usually pretty fast. I have a couple of options that are similar to the ones that I have linked in my bio. Those are affiliate links, so feel free to shop and support. I do have to note that I can't speak for the quality because I am based in the Netherlands. I cannot order off of Amazon in the US, so I would advise to read reviews and try to make an informed decision that way. Another option would be eFavorMart. Now I absolutely love their collection, but unfortunately because shipping is a little bit too high, I haven't been able to order from them. But a lot of balloon artists use their products and it's affordable and the quality definitely looks good, so that is another option for you. If you have a little bit of a bigger budget, ubackdrop.com is definitely a good option. Their frames look very sturdy, very durable, very easy to set up, and same goes for the covers with the zippers at the bottom. I can't wait to get my hands on a set of those. Now, where do I order my frames from? Because I can't order off of Amazon US or eFavorMart and the U Backdrop ones are just a little bit too expensive for now, I turn to good old AliExpress. Now, I haven't found a vendor yet that I absolutely love and would 100% recommend, but as soon as I do, you guys will know. So I hope that helps and stay tuned for more.